What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo. So I'm working on this website, right? I'm trying just to make it responsive, but I came across to this problem that usually I guess you find it. So I tried to make this responsive, like I said before, for iPad. Check it out. So right here, there is this wide space right here on the right. See? So for mobile, I think it's pretty good, I guess. Let's do it again. See? For mobile, it's pretty good. But if I go to iPad, it does look pretty good. See, there's that wide space on the right, and I hate it. I hate it. I don't know. So, but this is what I found out. So if I go in my code and my right, if I add this code right here, HTML body with 100% high, 100% margin 0, padding 0, overflow X hidden. So if I do that, it will fix it in a way, but it's not all the way fixed. Um, so let's see it again. See, I don't see that the space anymore, which is fine. But then what happened to my pictures, to my text and my images? So they're like halfway cut up. And I was thinking like, how do you fix this? And I was just going through my code, and let me show you something what I found out really quick. So right here in my code on my HTML, so I got this is where all the code that's happening right here, the HTML markup right here. So this is the main container, and I got this main content, right? This is the father, and inside this main content, which is the father, there's 3 kids. Each kid has just a div. It has a title. It also has a paragraph. It also has an image. There's 2 divs for in each kid. Yeah, the total there is like 3 kids with image and also paragraph. So I was thinking, if I go to my styles CSS, so this is what I did. I put in the main content, I give it a width of 1,000 pics. Let's check it out right here. Right here. So there's a padding, which is fine. There is a width of 1,000 pics. So what is happening on the side? So the whole container right here. This is the father, right? And there's the 3 kids. 1, 2, 3 kids. So I give this the width of 1,000 pics, which means a width of 1,000 pics. That means the whole container inside is going to stay a 1,000 pics no matter what. And that's why when I use the when I use this set of codes right here, the HTML and body, it did fix the problem, but it's in 1,000 pics, which means that's why it's cut up. It's cut off my images on the right side. I don't see the white space anymore. But the one thing I noticed is, like, if you put in your if you give it a max width on the main content, instead of doing width 1,000 pics, you can just do max width. So this will make it flexible. So it will fix whatever was wrong with it. Like, with that container is going to be flexible. So it will fit to whatever you wanna fit it. Let's save that. But let's get rid of this code because it's not relevant anymore. This part right here is not working for me. It might work in some other codes, but when there's that white space on the right, you gotta make sure there is something that has too much width, or you just gotta make it flexible. You gotta use 100% percentage or a max width just to help with that. So now if I go back on the website, see, it fixed it. It fixed it. Yeah, everything is good now. So that's the difference between max width and width. Width, it will it will be stable. Whatever width you give it, it will stay that way no matter what. But if you give it with the max width, it will make it flexible to whatever screen you're trying just to view it. But anyway, okay guys, thank you for checking the video. Hopefully this helped you out with your coding adventure. All right, have a good night. Bye bye.